For the ingredients, you would need 2 pounds of chicken. Right here, I'm using 2 pounds of dumplings. You could use chicken leg, chicken thighs, or whichever cut you like. 1 can of white beans, 1 small onion, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 cup of tomato sauce, half a cup of chicken broth, juice of half a lemon and zest, and about half a cup of parsley. Avocado oil. 1 small onion sliced. 2 pounds of chicken. Salt. Pepper. Red pepper flakes, optional. Minced garlic. Tomato sauce. One can of white beans. Half a cup of chicken broth. And now we just stir it to combine and bring it to a boil. Cover with a lid, lower the heat to medium, and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Alright, 5 minutes is up. Let's have a peek. Wow, look at that. In only 5 minutes. Let's take the temperature of our chicken to make sure that it's cooked through. These are very small dumplings, so I'm sure it's cooked, but just to be safe, it should read at least 165. Wow, look at that. The starch from the beans really help thicken the soup up. Oh, it looks so good. All right. Last, we're gonna add our lemon juice and lemon zest in to add some brightness to it. Gotta get every last bit of that. Okay. Alright, let's give it a mix. Oh, it smells so good, that lemon zest. Okay. I'm going to give it a taste to make sure that it has enough salt. Oh my goodness, it's so good. Okay, so I'm going to turn off the heat. And I'm going to add half of the parsley in here to infuse the flavor. And then the other half, I'm going to save it for garnish, okay? Alright, time to eat. Let's see. 1, 2. Some of the onion sauce. Just made this beautiful bread. Look at this, guys. So we're gonna eat it with the stew today. Nothing is better than fresh bread. Because I made a lot for one meal, so I'm gonna prep some lunch for the next 2 days. The plastic box is for me to bring to the office, while the glass one is when I use it when I work from home. Wow, look at that. In 20 minutes, we were able to make 2 dinners and 2 lunches out of one pot. If you liked this video, please give us a thumb up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and see you guys next time.